A tree's gentle heart. Have you ever felt alone, like a single tree on a windy hill? Once, a solitary tree stood, yearning for a friend. Then, a lost bird sought shelter on its branches. The tree, with a gentle heart, protected the bird. In return, the bird's beautiful song brought joy and companionship. Just like the tree, kindness attracts friendship. Embrace nature, share your gifts, and you'll never truly be alone. Let's be kind to nature and each other. Go outside, make a new friend, and appreciate the beauty around you.